Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be exploring Wondershare's Filmora 14 text-to-speech feature, a powerful tool for adding natural-sounding voiceovers to your videos. I will guide you through how to set it up, choose from the various voice options, and show you how the automatic sentence segmentation can make your editing process smoother. You will see how easy it is to turn in text into the clear, polished audio, perfect for content creators who want to just streamline their workflow. If you are looking to make your videos more engaging and professionals without spending hours recording, this feature is worth checking out. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you find this video helpful. It will help me to bringing you the best tips and tools for your video projects. Now let's get into the Filmora 14. We just need to go and click audio, and once we see the audio, there's a few options available for us. Okay, there's a Mine, AI music, AI sound effects. We are looking to get this text to speech. Okay, today we'll be looking to the text to speech, and once we're there, okay, we need to input text to convert it to the interesting voiceovers. Okay, so let's go and click start. We have to now put whatever we want to say. If you don't have any script, you can always go and click AI copywriting, and the AI will generate the script for you. Okay, so here we go. This is our script, but before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, here we go. Now we need to choose the language. There's 40 languages as far as I remember that's available here now in Filmora, so probably most of you guys will find something which will fit your video needs. Okay, so I will stick to English US. Okay, and select voice. Now we got a few options. We can do like a custom voice, favorites, all, narrative, and so on and so forth. Okay, but there are all the voices here now available, and I heard there is about 40 voices now available in this Filmora 14. They were added on many voices before that. For example, those are new ones. Let's go listen to some.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
I think those voices sounds very natural. Okay, I don't know what you think, guys. Just leave the comments if you feel like you want to say something about those voices, but I think those voices are quite cool. So as I said, like many voices available here now, and what you can do, you can go and clone your own voice. Okay, you just need to click here, clone voice, and that will be a custom voice created for yourself, which then you can use into your future videos. Okay, but for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna be using
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Yep, that's no problem at all. I'm gonna use this one, and now here let's go and hit generate, and it shouldn't take long. I think it's about a few seconds. Now there you go, the script wasn't too long. Okay, there you go, now it's completed. And now let's close this one and let's go and listen to it.
But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. But before we jump,
I think, guys, that this is amazing. This sounds very natural, and it only took us about a minute, maybe two, and here we go. We got a voiceover created to our script. Okay, if you got a script which is, I don't know, minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, even long, you can use this option. That's no problem at all. I highly encourage you to go and check it out. You can go and edit this voice. You make it volume up, volume down. You can steer the balances. Fade ins, fade outs, and everything what you can do in the normal voice, like you are recording your own video, you can also do it here. Okay, so guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and thank you very much for watching.